Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Cook with Sana Kuram. This is Sana. Today I'm going to share with you all a super refreshing, nectarous and scrumptious summer drink recipe, Nannari Melon Sharbat, with healthy, succulent and aromatic fruits like muskmelon and banana, and with the herbaceous scent of the Nannari, the natural body coolant, and tender coconut water and natural electrolyte makes this juice a very healthy drink for the summer and the best energizing iftar drink. Now come, let's get started. Take a bowl and add 250 grams of diced muskmelon. To this, slice and add a medium-sized banana and transfer them into a blender jar and squeeze in the juice of a large-sized lemon and pour in 1/3 cup of Nannari Sharbat to it and blend them to a smooth pulp without adding water and keep aside. Scoop out the muskmelon to make tiny cute balls with a half teaspoon meshing spoon and reserve some for garnishing. And in this recipe, we are going to use these muskmelon seeds. These are almond gum or badam pisin or badam gondh. Soak them in water for 4 to 5 hours for them to bloom. This is a natural body coolant which gives a nice, jelly-like texture when added to any drink. This is Nannari Sharbat and this is fresh tender coconut water. And these are soaked and bloomed Sabja seeds, another excellent body coolant. Now take a large mixing bowl and pour in the muskmelon and banana pulp, followed by 4 teaspoons of soaked and bloomed almond gum or badam pisin. Next add 5 teaspoons of soaked and bloomed sabja seeds or sweet basil seeds and add 1/4 cup of de-skinned muskmelon seeds. Now add 500 ml of fresh tender coconut water and 1/3 cup of Nannari Sharbat and chill this drink with some ice cubes and add the melon balls and mix well. Pour this drink into serving glasses and garnish with some reserved melon balls and serve. This will be the best cooler for the summer and a healthy and energizing iftar drink too. Friends, please try this recipe and write your valuable feedback to me in the comment section. And if you like this recipe and my video, please hit a like, share it with your family and friends, and please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get notifications of my new uploads. Meet you all in my next upload. Until then, this is Sana signing off with lots of love.